Welcome to Essential Biz Marketing. Let's begin by exploring how marketing creates value and engagement. This chapter introduces the foundations that guide every customer-centered strategy. First, we outline marketing and its role. You will see how companies move step by step to design, deliver, and capture value. Next, we focus on understanding the marketplace and customers. The 5 core concepts explain how needs, wants, and demands shape strategy. Here, we identify the key elements of a customer value-driven strategy. We also preview the management orientations that guide marketing choices. This section covers customer relationship management. You will learn strategies for creating value and capturing long-term returns. Finally, we look at the changing marketing landscape. Digitalization, globalization, and sustainability are reshaping how companies build engagement. Now let's begin with a real-world example. Emirates Airlines rose to global prominence as one of the world's top carriers. Its success was built on meaningful relationships with customers. By focusing on personalized experiences, Emirates positioned itself beyond basic transportation. Key strategies included tailored services, customer-focused branding, and the global Fly Better campaign. These initiatives set the airline apart in a highly competitive industry. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, Emirates kept customers engaged. It used digital campaigns and timely messaging to sustain trust and visibility. The lesson is clear: creating value and building engagement matter more than offering low prices. This principle frames the rest of the chapter. We now turn to the definition of marketing. It is far more than just selling or advertising. Marketing is the process of creating value for customers. It builds relationships that enable companies to capture value in return. Firms like Amazon and Starbucks succeed by delivering experiences. They meet customer needs with offerings that go beyond products. The marketing process includes understanding customers, building strategies, delivering value, and achieving loyalty. This cycle drives both satisfaction and long-term profitability. Next, let's break down the marketing process. It begins with understanding customer needs and the marketplace. The second step is designing a customer value-driven strategy. Companies decide who to serve and how to serve them best. The third step is constructing the marketing mix. Product, price, place, and promotion work together as the 4 Ps. The fourth step is engaging customers and building relationships. This step ensures deeper connections beyond transactions. The fifth step is capturing value from customers in return. It turns satisfaction into loyalty and profitability. Overall, the process aims to deliver satisfaction. At the same time, it supports long-term business success. We now turn to the foundation of marketing. Human needs, wants, and demands shape how companies design offerings. Market offerings include products, services, and experiences. They exist to satisfy customer needs and wants. Customers judge value and satisfaction by comparing expectations with outcomes. Exchanges occur when they give something to receive something in return. Together, these concepts define the marketplace. They guide how firms analyze demand and craft competitive strategies. Now we focus on designing a customer value-driven strategy. The first step is choosing the right customers to serve. Success requires segmentation and targeting. A clear value proposition explains the benefits promised to customers. One orientation is the production concept. It emphasizes efficiency and low prices. Another is the product concept, focused on quality and innovation. The selling concept adds aggressive promotion as a driver. The marketing concept centers on satisfying needs better than competitors. It shifts the focus from products to customers. The societal marketing concept balances profits, satisfaction, and social good. It embeds sustainability and ethics into strategy. Together, these orientations guide how firms position themselves. They clarify how strategies connect value creation with long-term growth. Next, let's examine the marketing mix. It begins with the product, what a company offers to meet needs. Price determines what customers are willing to exchange. It signals both value and affordability. Place ensures products are accessible. This includes physical stores and digital platforms. Promotion communicates value to customers. It involves all ways of persuading and engaging them. All four elements must work together. Consistency across product, price, place, and promotion creates a strong customer experience. Now, we turn to customer relationship management. CRM builds and maintains strong connections through superior value. Customers judge value by comparing what they receive with what they give. For example, luxury items like a handmade Patek Philippe watch symbolize high value. Satisfaction depends on whether expectations are met or exceeded. Delighted customers often become advocates, as seen with Chick-fil-A. Next, let's explore loyalty and customer value. Long-term success depends on keeping customers committed to the brand. Customer lifetime value measures total spending across the relationship. A weekly $100 shopper can generate $50,000 over 10 years. Customer equity sums the lifetime values of all customers. It provides a stronger indicator of long-term performance than short-term sales. The goal is to grow equity by nurturing loyal and profitable customers. This approach strengthens both revenue and relationships. We now turn to the changing marketing landscape. The digital revolution empowers customers through social media and apps. After the recession, consumers became more value-conscious. Marketers respond with practicality, durability, and affordability. Globalization pushes firms to think globally and act locally. Brands must adapt strategies for diverse markets. Sustainability is no longer optional. Responsible action builds trust, loyalty, and long-term customer relationships. Let's review the marketing process. Strategic activities create value across company functions through integration. Understanding the marketplace supports stronger strategic planning. Customer insight guides actions that build competitive advantage. A value-driven strategy requires clear segmentation, targeting, differentiation, and positioning. These steps define how offerings stand out and connect with customers. Customer relationship management fosters satisfaction and loyalty. Retention strategies turn value delivery into long-term profitability. Trends like digitalization, economic sensitivity, globalization, and sustainability reshape marketing. These forces drive companies to adapt while maintaining trust. This concludes today's session. We look forward to exploring more topics together in the next chapter.